Hello viewer, here is the compost pile, without all of those sticks and twigs and whatever. I went to the rental place and rented a van, and I loaded up the van with a load of the bags of hay that I'd taken down so far. I've still got a lot more to go, but I thought I'd bring these up to the compost pile whilst I've got the van, and dip those bags there, and took all of the sticks that were on the compost pile, because they're not going to compost or break down anytime soon, and put all the sticks on the van. Now, I don't think that's, strictly speaking, overloading, but it is kind of a lot. I had hoped that that would take up less space, because I've still got some wood left from the burnt down shed, which used to be here. So I'm going to drive down about 50 metres, no, 20 metres, park the van again, shove on what wood I can, go off to the déchetterie, the dump, when it opens at 2 p.m, and then come back with an empty van to do another load, which will be the plasterboard and polystyrene. But I've also got a load of wood that's between the columbage barn and the end of the house over there, probably about a quarter of a load. And then there's more branches, which is another quarter of a load beyond the end there. So quite a lot more moving to do just in this afternoon, because the dump is only open this afternoon. So I'm going to put a couple of ratchet clamps over the top of that to try and hold it in place while I drive down the slope a bit, and then release the ratchet clamps, shove on a bit more wood, off to the dump when it opens. You can watch me load up what I can from the burnt out shed. I'll put you on a tripod. Right. I'm exhausted. Well, I think that's quite a lot. So I'll tie it up, strap it down. Hopefully nothing will fall off. Have some lunch. Go to the déchetterie when it opens at 2 in the afternoon. Be at the door, tip it, come back and do another 1 or 2 loads. See you in a sec.
Well, that looks nice and secure. Whilst I was driving home, they'd cut down the maize field behind us. So now you can see across it, and there you can see our neighbour, and the Colombage barn, and the long Longère house. Just about see it through the mist. So I went home, parked up and had some lunch. And here's the van, parked up, ready to go to the dump. See you soon.